Okay. Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. So, we are now here at Metropolitan Hospital and Medical Center in Manila. No? So, for the pre-operative assessment of our patients for cosmetic surgery, this is our 14th cosmetic surgery mission. Will be held on December 7. No? Masyado pong malapit dun sa nauna naming mission because of so many patients, no? Gusto ko mag-apologize sa mga patients na hindi namin na-accommodate. But rest assured, lahat kayo mauoperahan. We'll be having another mission on 2026, maybe March or April, no? So, ito po tayo. Nagka-carve po kami ng mga implants and nagme-measure ng mga sa eyelids, no? Oh, here, say hi. They're carving the implants. Ito po, isa sa pinakamaganda naming training fellow. Ito po ang pinaka-pogi. Wow! Hi po, say hi! Yan, alright. Dito pa, meron ba tayo rito? Yan, yes.
Final na.
Final.
Okay na po ba ito?
Can I see? Can we check? Yeah, konti na lang.
Konti na lang po.
Konti na lang.
Just boss, yung pinaka-tip po, bawasan ko pa po ba sa
Hindi na,
iba?
huwag na.
Okay po.
Okay.
Ito po.
Aldi ba?
Ay, sige po.
Hindi na?
Thank you, boss.
Okay, so yan na po, they did the carving of the implant. So we will see you on December 7. Another day, another surgery.